Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious corn salad. It is amazing for summer, so you can basically use any of the veggies and anything that you have on hand. Alright, so to get started, start off with boiling some broccoli. So I'm using half a head here of broccoli, and then you want to get some corn, and I'm just using this one from Costco. So start by putting that in water and bringing it to a boil as well. You're also going to need a cucumber, a tomato, and then shred some carrot, and then also onions. So after the corn and the broccoli are done, so just you're going to strain that and put them all in a bowl together. You're going to basically throw everything in a bowl that we have cut up, and yeah, so then you're going to throw it all in and then mix it. And so here you can basically use whatever veggies that you have on hand at home. You can even put in some fruits, like I've put in some pineapple before and it was fine. And then also you're gonna I added half a lemon, and then personally for me I like more lemon, so I added extra lemon to mine. So just put that in, and then now it's time to season. So you can put add the seasoning salt, so adding that in about, I would say 2-3 teaspoons, and then put some roasted garlic pepper. This stuff is amazing, you guys. And now I'm just adding some black pepper in there, some salt. I'm using sea salt. You don't need too much salt because we did add the lemon in, and then just putting in some paprika. Now this is chaat masala. If you don't have this, it's fine. You could do without it, but this is my favorite spice, you guys. So good, so good. And I also add in some cumin powder. If you don't have it, you can also leave that out, and also an avocado. I forgot to add that before, so just throwing that in there as well. And then you just want to mix it all up. And I think I put some cilantro in there too. So just mix all that up, and then at the end to serve it, just stir it up because you don't want all the lemon juice at the bottom, and then just sprinkle some chaat masala on top, and it is delicious. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like the videos, please subscribe.